What's happening, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jamal coming back at you with Leveled Up Credit Services, aka your credit protector. Now, I know it's been a minute. It's been like maybe 10 days or something like that since I last posted. That's my bad. It's definitely on me, but don't worry. I've been in the lab always. So today, Wednesday, what we got? August 24th, right? You know, the president's going to make an announcement regarding these student loans. Okay, so I wanted to just talk about student loans and how it impacts your credit report and potentially your credit score. Okay, now to me, I'll take any assistance that I can get. Okay, um, there's a lot of mixed feelings. Some people say it's not enough. People want more, especially if you make over 125,000. A lot of people feel like it's a slap in the face that they're not going to get any aid. Okay, now a lot of people want to have their student loans completely removed from their consumer report. Right? Some of those reasons include debt to income ratio when applying for a house. Okay, or mortgage in general, right? Because your that affects your debt to income ratio, which can affect either the terms of your loan, the fees associated with it, your interest rates, or even if whether or not you'll get denied or approved for the loan to begin with. Okay, because if your debt to income ratios is too high, they will deny you. There are certain programs now, especially since the start of the pandemic, where some programs allow you to go as far up as a DTI of 55%, whereas in the past they really didn't want you over 40%. Okay, so that's one thing with student loans, and the reason people want to have the student loans removed. Their DTI when it comes to getting a house. Of course, people just want their student loans forgiven just in general because a lot of people have 40, 60, especially if you're an attorney or a doctor, you may have several hundred thousands of dollars in student loans. All very warranted reasons to have these loans removed from your consumer report. Now, here's the thing. Let me tell you some potential downsides to having these loans either just completely removed from your consumer report or just closed. Okay, unknown to a lot of people, closed installment loans, which a student loan is an installment account, or what they may say closed in credit. When those accounts close, they take away from your overall consumer history. This is major when it comes to student loans because for a lot of us, our oldest accounts are student loans. You may have a student loan on there that's 10, 15, sometimes, unfortunately, 20 years old on your consumer report. And you want to, get that loan removed. Having that student loan removed is also going to remove all that payment history. Caveat: if you are paying your student loans on time, it's going to remove all of that on time positive payment history, and it's going to have a huge impact on your consumer report and your credit score for the negative. Okay, imagine having half of your credit history just disappear in a snap of fingers. Okay, so that's the downside of having your student loans removed. Your score is going to take a tremendous hit. Now, it's going to go back up over time, but in the short term, I mean, who knows how much of a drop you may experience. You may experience a 60, 70, 80, 100 plus point drop because your student loans were removed from your credit report, or the student loans were closed, meaning that there's no more history being reported from that loan. Okay, now this is very impactful for those who don't have a well developed consumer report. So let's say you just have like 3 credit cards, auto loan, and everything else is student loans. Having those student loans closed or even somehow removed from your consumer report can negatively impact you in a great way. So just keep that in mind when you're thinking about, hey, do I want to, how badly or how soon do I want to pay off these student loans, or if there are errors in the reporting, get these errors corrected, because you may just want to have the student loans updated and corrected as opposed to just having them deleted from your consumer report. Okay, let me know your thoughts on this. Let me know your thoughts on the alleged, because I don't think he's announced it yet. It's still like approaching 3 p.m. on August 24th, right? So this is definitely going to be a dated video. And so let me know your thoughts on the whole student loan situation. Okay, how are you approaching it? What are you doing about it? Like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment below. I'll talk to y'all again. All right, peace.